Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today, whoa, oh, I just hit my camera. I'm here today to share a quick video. I did receive my Waltlife box, woohoo! Although I feel it's like a week later than it was last month. So this is the second month I'm receiving it. I get the Magic Plus box subscription, and if you want more information about this, it's waltlife.com. The other thing is they put it in this box this time. Last month's shipment, it was just the regular Walt box, so I was surprised, but then I just saw it was from Waltlife, so then I knew what it was. So let's see what we got. Ooh, magic inside. Yeah, so last time it just came with this box, and was wrapped in like, you know, clear plastic. What's it called? Not saran wrap, but something. Anyway, and it was in this green colored box, which I love. Green is my color. Oh, so you ready for the magic inside? Ready? 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 Yeah, let's see what love we have this month. I see a broken something already, so it didn't help for them to pack it. I wonder, oh, it's broken. I wonder, like, do they replace these? I guess I will need to find, oh, it's a bummer. Anyway, so I'll need to check on that, how they handle replacements, if they do, and I will update you. I guess it should have been in this, maybe taped. It wasn't in this, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what happened actually. So, but anyway, this would have been an awesome mug to have. Cute. Yes, I would have loved to add this to my coffee routine. So let's see how they handle that. Of course, I'll do an update video. Whoop, whoop. Something else broken. So I got lots of broken shit to in this box, which is a disappointment. Oh, I really like this. I need this too, a spoon holder for my stove. Dang, they didn't. I don't even have the curator, who it was. None of that yet so far. Oh, I don't know. So weird. So weird. Nothing was packed well. Kind of disappointed. Anyway. So 2 for 2. That's a bust. This shouldn't break. It's not ceramic. Oh, scrunchies! They're mini scrunchies! I need to watch, because I think my daughter, well, I'll share it with her. She cannot have all of them. But 3 scrunchies. Yes! Yes! Oh, and then look at this cross shoulder bag. And it's 90 years Mickey. Cute. It has this, what type of material, like vinyl? I don't know what this is. It's not vinyl. It's like seatbelt material-ish. Or backpack material, you know. But it has the pocket here. And it's lined. I almost feel like it's for, so things don't get wet. And another pocket, good size. And then look at all the different Mickey characters. So it is a true original, it says. So that. Oh, and then the snacks. Oh, we got some frozen gummies. How cool. Yum. We love fruity flavors, artificially flavored gummies. And it's frozen. Okay, excited for that. So let's see what else is at the bottom of this. Which, do you think somebody went through my box? I don't know. I almost have a feeling somebody did. Like, it doesn't have like all the curating stuff. Is it supposed to tell me who made my box every time? Like, it doesn't tell me that. What is this? I don't know. So not feeling this box. I was feeling the items, but not that they're now that they're broken. Okay, so nothing about who curated my box for me. Yeah, nothing. Like, this is the stuff I got in my last box. So maybe because it was the first box only, but it, you know, it told me who curated it. So I didn't get none of this in this box, which is my second WALT Life box. Lots of pieces still finding. Well, it's some Disney magic. I'll take it for now, but I will be contacting customer service to see, you know, if they do returns, exchanges. I don't know. Be very bummed if it doesn't work out for me, but I will totally update you and let you know how their customer service was, what they planned to do, what they did, and we will go from there. So until next time, hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. For more videos like these and others, hit the subscribe button below. And until the next video, shakas!